Hello students, this is teacher Luis with the second tutorial video for the Instituto Gandhi's English institutional program for the level 3. This is the video for the 5th grade, and today we are going to talk about the preposition between. The preposition between allows us to tell when one thing is in the middle of two other things. For example, right now my head is in between this cup and this soda. Another example would be that, for example, I don't know, my hand has these candies in between the fingers. Okay, so we talk about the word between to describe when something is in the middle of two other things. I could give you more examples and stuff like that, but instead I chose to record a small TikTok for you guys because I know that it's what you like. So please enjoy.
When you're spending every day on your